What do Persian kings, Japanese samurai, and Michelin star chefs have in common? Two mysterious ingredients, one golden, one savory, that changed the course of history and cuisine forever. Welcome to the untold story of Saffron and Umami, where taste meets legend. Taste is far more than a mere sensation. It is a cornerstone of human history and culture. Flavors tell stories, evoke memories, and connect us to traditions spanning millennia. They are the silent architects of our shared heritage. Among the vast pantheon of culinary elements, two stand out for their enigmatic nature and profound impact: saffron and umami. One is a tangible golden thread, the other an elusive, savory essence. Both have shaped the very fabric of global gastronomy. These ingredients are not just culinary components, they are legends. Their influence has touched the lives of kings, inspired warriors, and guided the hands of countless culinary masters throughout history. They represent a deep connection between food, power, and human ingenuity. Together, saffron and umami have profoundly shaped cuisines across continents and centuries. They have left an indelible mark on civilization, weaving themselves into the tapestry of our collective culinary journey. Their stories are intertwined with the rise and fall of empires, the exchange of ideas, and the relentless human pursuit of flavor. Our journey begins with saffron, a spice so precious it was once worth more than its weight in gold. Its origins trace back to ancient Iran, where the delicate crocus sativus flower first yielded its crimson stigmas. This region became the cradle of saffron cultivation. From its earliest discovery, saffron was prized by Persian royalty. It adorned their palaces, flavored their feasts, and symbolized their immense wealth and power. The vibrant hue and intoxicating aroma were considered divine gifts. Saffron's versatility extended far beyond the kitchen. It was used in lavish dishes, transforming simple meals into opulent banquets fit for emperors. Its distinctive flavor profile became synonymous with luxury and refinement. Beyond culinary applications, saffron found its way into perfumes, lending an exotic and lingering fragrance to the elite. It was also utilized extensively in ancient medicine, believed to possess healing properties for a myriad of ailments. Its therapeutic value was highly regarded. The exorbitant price of saffron stemmed directly from its labor-intensive harvesting process. Each crocus flower yields only 3 tiny stigmas, which must be hand-picked and carefully dried. This painstaking effort cemented its status as the ultimate luxury item, accessible only to the wealthiest echelons of society. The influence of saffron spread far and wide, carried along trade routes and through the expansion of empires. Its golden threads became a symbol of culinary sophistication across diverse cultures. It graced the tables of Ottoman cuisine, adding depth and color to pilafs and desserts. The sultans reveled in its unique aroma and flavor, making it a staple in their imperial kitchens. Saffron also featured prominently in Moorish Spain, where it became integral to dishes like paella. Its introduction transformed the regional cuisine, blending seamlessly with local ingredients and techniques. Further east, saffron contributed to the vibrant flavors of Indian biryani, a dish renowned for its aromatic rice and tender meats. It became an essential component, imparting both color and an unparalleled fragrance. The allure of saffron is not merely anecdotal, it is rooted in its unique chemical composition. It contains powerful compounds like crocin, responsible for its vibrant red-orange color, and saffronol, which gives it its distinctive aroma. These compounds are the essence of its magic. Beyond its sensory appeal, scientific studies suggest potential mood-elevating properties. Saffron has been explored for its traditional use in alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Its natural compounds interact with brain chemistry, Furthermore, research indicates that saffron possesses significant antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, contributing to overall well-being. The ancient wisdom surrounding saffron is increasingly supported by modern science. Our journey now shifts to a taste that remained elusive for centuries, yet was always present. Umami, often described as the savory essence, was formally discovered in 1908 by Japanese chemist Kikunae Ikeda. He isolated the compound responsible for this unique sensation. Ikeda defined umami as the taste of glutamate, an amino acid naturally found in many foods. It is a distinct taste, separate from sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, providing a profound sense of deliciousness and satisfaction. Long before its scientific discovery, umami was deeply rooted in traditional cuisines worldwide. Cultures intuitively understood and harnessed its power to enhance flavor. It is famously found in fermented products like soy sauce and miso, staples of East Asian cooking. These ingredients provide a rich, savory depth that elevates countless dishes. Umami is also present in natural ingredients such as seaweed, a cornerstone of Japanese dashi. Tomatoes, especially sun-dried varieties, are packed with natural glutamate, contributing to their rich flavor. Parmesan cheese, aged to perfection, is another potent sauce, delivering a complex, savory punch. The concept of umami, though named in Japan, has parallels found in Turkish culinary traditions that span centuries. Turkish cuisine, rich in fermented and dried foods, naturally embodies this savory essence. It is showcased beautifully in fermented foods like tahana, a traditional Turkish soup ingredient made from yogurt, grains, and vegetables. The fermentation process significantly boosts its umami profile, creating a deeply satisfying base. The savory depth is also evident in sukuk, a spicy fermented sausage, and various dried meats. These traditional preparations concentrate flavors and develop complex umami notes, reflecting an ancient understanding of taste enhancement. The stories of saffron and umami, though originating in different corners of the world, are inextricably linked by ancient trade routes. The Silk Road, more than just a path for goods, served as a vital conduit for ingredient exchange, ideas, and culinary innovation. This vast network facilitated the movement of precious commodities and knowledge across continents. It was a superhighway of cultural diffusion, connecting diverse civilizations through commerce and curiosity. Along these historic routes, saffron was a highly sought-after commodity. Its golden threads traveled from Persia to the Mediterranean, Europe, and Asia, enriching cuisines and cultures wherever it arrived. It was a symbol of wealth and exoticism. Similarly, umami-rich ingredients, though not always recognized by name, were also traded. Ancient Roman garum, a fermented fish sauce, was a highly prized condiment, delivering a powerful, savory punch. Its production and trade spread its umami essence across the Roman Empire. These exchanges were not limited to individual ingredients. They fostered a broader understanding of flavor and preservation techniques. The movement of goods led to the fusion of culinary traditions, creating new and exciting dishes. The exchange of these powerful ingredients fostered culinary fusion across continents, leading to the birth of new dishes and flavor profiles. Cuisines evolved, incorporating foreign elements into their traditional repertoires. Beyond the kitchen, these ingredients influenced rituals and royal courts. Saffron, with its vibrant color and aroma, played a role in religious ceremonies and imperial displays of power. Its presence signified importance and reverence. Ultimately, the trade and integration of ingredients like saffron and umami shaped the very fabric of societies. They influenced economies, fostered cultural exchange, and contributed to the diverse culinary landscapes we cherish today. food became a powerful medium for connection and identity. In the contemporary culinary world, saffron continues to grace haute cuisine, symbolizing luxury and refinement. Its unique flavor and vibrant color make it a favorite among top chefs seeking to elevate their dishes. It remains a testament to timeless elegance. Umami, now fully understood and appreciated, has become a cornerstone of fine dining. Chefs actively seek to maximize its presence, creating dishes that are deeply satisfying and complex. It is recognized as a fundamental building block of deliciousness. The understanding and application of these ancient flavors have sparked a culinary renaissance. Chefs are pushing boundaries, experimenting with traditional ingredients in innovative ways. This renewed focus is seen prominently in molecular gastronomy, where the science of flavor is explored to create novel culinary experiences. Saffron and umami are often key players in these experimental dishes, providing both depth and intrigue. The global obsession with ramen, a dish rich in umami from its broth and toppings, exemplifies this trend. Similarly, the emergence of saffron gelato showcases how ancient spices can be reimagined in modern desserts, blending tradition with innovation. Ultimately, the story of flavor is a story of civilization itself. It reflects human ingenuity, cultural exchange, and the enduring quest for sensory pleasure. Every dish tells a tale of its origins and evolution. The journey of saffron and umami is a testament to the enduring power of culinary traditions. These ingredients have transcended time, adapting to new contexts while retaining their fundamental appeal. They connect us to our ancestors. Exploring these hidden legends offers a profound window into the past, revealing how tastes have shaped our world. It reminds us that food is not just sustenance, but a rich tapestry of history, culture, and human connection. It is a continuous narrative, unfolding with every bite. Don't forget, it's free to subscribe. Join us on the Turkish Odyssey as we explore history, mystery, and taste. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure.